Our next guest says recovery is pinned to jobs. So what does he think of the latest 10.2% rate? We're joined by Nick Sargen, Chief Investment Officer at Fort Washington Investment Advisors in Cincinnati. So, Nick, what do you think of this 10.2% rate?
Well, clearly the headline number was the big surprise. But, Carol, I focus as well on just the level of unemployment. And there, at least, the news isn't as discouraging as the headline. The key point being we're still on that trend for getting job losses are coming down. You wish they'd come down faster. But then again, if you look at the previous month, remember that was the big surprise number. Then we were all talking, wow, that number popped up, and then it just got revised away. So my view is that this is actually I call it a tweener number. And what I mean by that is most economists focus on the trend in joblessness, and this isn't that bad. But as you say, the politicians and the newspapers will focus on the headline unemployment rate, and therefore, we want to see how the two play out.
Hey, Nick, Suzanne O'Halloran was talking to us about how volume has been somewhat lackluster. Are you making the argument then that institutional sellers will sit this one out today, that they won't rush and sell stocks?
I would say the following. That may be too strong a statement. I would say if I were advising them, I would say don't react so much to the unemployment number. And I think that's what a lot of economists will be saying, but different people can form different opinions. I really believe right now that, think of what's happened. We had a 6-month phenomenal rally, and then came October, which is supposed to be the month of correction. And what did we get? We got kind of a consolidation. So I actually don't think things are as bad in the sense that we may not be going up, but I think we're in choppy waters. And then what will it take to break us out? I do believe, Carol, that seeing improvement on the jobs situation is the key, but I don't expect it this year.
Hey, Nick, got 20 seconds here, though. I'm surprised that futures haven't sold off more than they have. We got Dow futures down about 46. We're off our lows, so we could maybe see some gains here, maybe, if we see a bit of a turnaround. Got 10 seconds here.
It's possible, again, as traders get briefed by their economists. I think the economists are going to say don't react to the unemployment headline.
All right, got it. Hey, Nick, thank you so much. Nick Sargen joining us, Chief Investment Officer from Fort Washington Investment Advisors.